Welcome back to the video. In this video we're just going to be duplicating the frame. If you want to duplicate the frame, you select the actual bounding box here and this actual sign here with shift. So you basically select shift D, wait, so select the bounding box, this right here, shift D, and shift D. Okay, that's a duplicate. You gotta make sure the window pops up. This, and then you select that plus the select both of these with the shift key, and then you can duplicate it. Let's say we want to rotate it, we would just come, that's the X value, let's go Y value, and let's just type 90. Now we have a 90-degree window. So in order to get the windows, you just use your add-ons, and it should be arc mesh. If you like the video, subscribe and leave a like. See you next time.